In the industry, every second counts. The fluidity of information is essential to optimize operations and achieve performance targets. Need to engage your frontline workers? Why not switch to Cenareo, your digital signage solution to turn your screens into a powerful asset to guide and support your logistics teams in real time. With Cenareo, your teams have real-time access to key business indicators to motivate their performance and achieve targets. Managers can see operations progress at a glance and react quickly. Every action is instantly captured and broadcasted through dynamic dashboards on your screens, keeping your teams informed and aligned. Connect your existing tools to broadcast your data in real time on your screens, turning information into an everyday performance driver for your teams. Broadcast better, faster, and smarter. My professional broadcast made in Cenareo.